Hi, so in this video I want to cover something called try and catch. Now here I have a pre-made code example. So what we have here is we have the input variable, we ask the user to enter a number between 1 and 3, then we store that input. We then check for the number, and if it's 1 we print this message, if it's 2 we print this one, if it's 3 we'll print that one, and if it's something else we say it's incorrect. So let's just give it a quick play. Now if I press 1 you have selected 1 just as intended. If I put something like, I don't know, let's just say 54, 45, it says it's incorrect. But what if we, I don't know, let's just say we type H, for example, which is not a number? Well, this is where it crashes. We get an error. There we go. Input string was not in the correct format. So that means that we're asking for a number, a full number, but we've given it a H, which is a string type or a char. So that's an error. So this is why things like try catching work. So it's basically catching out an error. So what we would do is we would try kind of this code, and then we would catch it. So basically what we want to attempt and what we get in return. So we would then write console.writeLine. The input was not a number. There we go. And if you press 5 and we put, there we go. And as you see now, we are not actually getting an error because we catch the error. So that's a way to prevent breaking code from incorrect inputs. This is one of many techniques of securing the code, in a sense. There is more to try and catching, but this is probably the most basic way of doing it. Like, yeah. So that would be it for this video.